If you're looking to monetize your content, you've probably heard of Fourthwall. But does it really deliver on its promise to make selling your digital products a breeze? Let's dive into what this platform has to offer and see if it's worth your time. Fourthwall is designed to help creators build their own online stores, allowing them to sell everything from digital downloads to physical merchandise. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, making it easy for creators to set up their storefronts without needing much technical know-how. You can customize your store, set pricing, and even offer subscription services all in one place. What stands out is the focus on community engagement. You can connect with your audience through integrated email marketing and social media tools. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, while they mention analytics to track sales, the depth of those insights isn't entirely clear. Also, it seems like they're still refining some features, as I noticed the lack of comprehensive tutorials or FAQs for new users. Overall, it feels user-friendly, but I can see a learning curve for those who might want to dig deeper into customization. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Fourthwall does a great job of making it easy for creators to set up their stores with minimal hassle. The integration of marketing tools is a definite plus, allowing for better engagement with your audience. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of detailed support documentation could leave new users feeling a bit lost. Pricing is another concern. While they offer a free tier, the fees for transactions can add up quickly if you're not careful. This platform might not suit creators looking for deep customizations or those who prefer a more hands-on approach to store management. But for casual creators looking to start selling quickly, it could be a good fit. In conclusion, Fourthwall is a solid option for creators wanting to set up shop without the fuss. If you're looking for ease of use and built-in marketing tools, it's worth considering. Just be mindful of the transaction fees and the lack of extensive support. If you're after something more customizable, you might want to explore other options